good people of the internet? Welcome back to My Nerdy Kitchen, where this nerdy girl is cooking through this nerdy cookbook. It is the Unofficial Harry Potter Cookbook. Today we are making triple power icy lemon pops. This recipe is coming to us from chapter 2 of Harry Potter and the Sorcerer's Stone, in which the Dursleys take Dudley and Harry to the zoo. They refuse to buy Harry a chocolate ice cream cone, but they decide to buy him a lemon pop. But Harry enjoys it anyway because it's Harry Potter and he's awesome. Let's get started.
Okie dokies, my friends, we need sugar, lemon extract, and lemon, and water, and lemon juice just in case we run out of natural lemon juice. And some tools that you will want to use are going to be a saucepan, a grater, some measuring cups and measuring spoons, and a popsicle mold. There is a link in the description box for the one that I used. First things first, you are going to take your grater and your lemon, and you are going to begin to grate off some lemon zest. My friends, be very, very careful of your fingers because graters are sharp and I do not want you to lose a fingertip. It does not feel good. Start grating your lemon until you get a big pile of lemon zest that looks like this. Now that your lemon has been zested, go ahead and put it into the saucepan, and you are going to put your saucepan onto very low heat. Add your water. We need 1 3/4 cups here. Put it right in. That looks great. And now get your sugar. We need 7 tablespoons of sugar. Once your sugar is added, you are going to cut your lemon in half. Take your lemon squeezer and squeeze it into a measuring cup so that we can know how much lemon we have. I ended up not having enough, as you will see in a minute. As long as you have 3 tablespoons of lemon juice, you are set, no matter if it comes straight from the lemon or from a bottle. It all works the same. Remember to keep your saucepan at a low temperature and keep stirring in order to get all of the sugar to dissolve. You do not want it to bubble, just simmer.
Okay, friends, so as always, I'm going to give you the fun facts, the history facts that this book gives us. Okay, dockers. Slushies and other frozen treats have been around for thousands of years, stemming all the way back to Alexander the Great, who would have snow brought in to chill his wine, and then also the Emperor Nero, who would have snow brought in, catching a theme, snow brought in order to chill his fruits and his honeys. But he obviously had to eat them, rather fast because snow melts. Thankfully, we have freezers now, and we have ice cubes and ice cube machines, and it's just, what a world we live in, honestly. We don't have to have snow brought into us from the mountains. Thank goodness.
Be sure to taste test your concoction and then do a little cooking dance, I guess. I don't know what she's doing. I don't claim her. Any hoozles, you're going to turn off the heat, take your lemon extract, and pour in half a teaspoon. Then give that a nice stir to mix it all together, and then it is time for molding. I love this little mold. It is silicone. It has 6 of these little popsicle things and a little funnel. Look at how cute it compacts. Oh, just love it, love it, love it, love it. Remembering that hot things are hot, you are going to pour your concoction into all of the molds. I made a mess. Don't overfill things. It causes a disaster, and you look like this. I ended up having to take a measuring spoon and getting rid of some of my concoction because I had just way too much and I caused a mess. And yeah, don't follow my lead. Fill them up to the fill to here line. Once you've done that, go ahead and stick on your popsicle stick holder things. I don't know what these are called. And then it is time to put it into the freezer. And now it is time to wait patiently 5 hours for it to freeze. Yes, patiently. Thank you, ma'am.
Hey everybody, it's Editing Nerd here. I don't know how to explain what I just found. Let me back up. I went to go into the freezer to get one of these icy pops because they're not definitely completely frozen. Got home last night and I went straight to bed. Didn't have one, so I was gonna have one today. And one of them was missing. My partner was home, so maybe he had one, but I asked him and he didn't have one of them. I was like, oh, that's weird. Nobody else has a key to my house. But when I was going through the footage, I found something. I'm not sure what it is. It might be nothing. Just watch and see what happens.
Okay, so you see me walk away. Now watch the handle. Like, what the heck? And then it hears me come back, and I walk back into screen. Check on the ice pops. And then watch, it does it again. Like, what the heck?
Yeah, I'm a little unnerved. But, yeah, let me know what you think in the comments below.
Despite something being in my closet, we are going to go ahead and demold one of these popsicles and eat it because I want one now. So we're gonna go ahead and pop one of these bad boys out. Oh my goodness, look. You got the lemon zest in there. You got this beautiful light yellow. Ooh, I love it.
I highly recommend this ice pop. It is so good. It is sweet. It is tart. It is delicious. It's the perfect snack if you're looking for like a little something that's sweet and a little tart. It is delicious. Little pieces of lemon zest in there really give it a nice zing. Oh. Whatever that thing was, we're gonna move past it, ignore it, maybe it will go away, not come back, we're just gonna ignore it. I will leave the link for the popsicle molds in the link below. Thanks so much for joining me. Please click on the bell so you can be notified whenever I upload a video. And click the big subscribe button, the big red subscribe button, you can't miss it. I'll see you guys in the next video. I'm going to go finish my ice pop now before I just get covered in sticky, sugary goodness. Bye-bye!